I will show you how to disable comments on Instagram posts. First, open your Instagram. Click this middle plus to post something. Then select the photo you want to post. Click Next. Go to More Options. There are several settings there, like turn off comments, hide the number of likes, and others. Check Turn off commenting. After that, share your post. Here we see that your post does not have a comment column.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.